Hello students. When the principal of Albert told him to leave the school, the same time Albert was amazed and he repeated, "Leave the school now?" And principal answered, "Yes, that's what I said." "You mean that I am to be expelled?" Albert wanted to be more clear, and then he asked, "You wanted to say that I am being expelled from the school?" And then the principal said, "You can take it that way if you wish." उसने कहा यदि तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है तो you can think that yes, it is like. The head teacher was not mincing words. "The simplest thing will be for you to go to your own accord, and then the question won't arise." And the head teacher said that the thing is that you just leave the school and do whatever you want. Go of your own accord. Okay, whatever you want to do, you do, and then the question won't arise. And it is better to leave this school as you want to leave. "But," said Albert, "what crime have I committed?" Then Albert still asked the principal what crime he had committed, and principal answered, "Your presence in the classroom makes it impossible for the teacher to teach and for the other pupil to learn." Means the principal said, if you are in class, it is impossible for the teacher to teach you and for the other students also. You refuse to learn means you don't want to learn, and you are having contradictions with your teachers, you have arguments with teachers, and no serious work can be done while you are present in the class. Albert felt the medical certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket. He wanted to submit the certificate, but there was no use of giving this certificate. He was being expelled from the school. So he thought that the certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket. And then he said, "I was going to leave anyway." He said, "I was also going to leave that school." "Then we are in agreement at least," Einstein, the head said. And principal said, "It means we are agree. We both are agree for this." And then Albert wanted to say that what he think of this school and the teachers, but he stopped. Without any words, holding his head high, he stepped out. Okay, he was not feeling ashamed and he had not done his head down, but he, still holding his head high, he went away from the office. And after him, the principal shouted, "Shut the door after you." But he did not listen to him, he ignored him. And then he walked straight on out to the school where he had spent 5 miserable years. Now, Albert even doesn't want to look back for the last look of that school, because he hated that school too much and he could not think of anyone he wanted to say goodbye to. So while he was leaving that town, he only wanted to say goodbye to Yuri. He was the only person in Munich he felt like seeing before he left the town. He had come to hate almost as much as the school. Means he was hating too much of that school. And now Elsa was also gone. She had also gone back to Berlin, and he had no other real friends. And while he was leaving that place, Yuri came to see him, and he wished him good luck and bade him goodbye, and then said, You are going to a wonderful country. I hope you will be happier there. Means he is leaving that place he didn't like and now he is going to the place he like most and he hoped that he will do some good. He will be happier there. That's all for the chapter. I'll meet you with my other videos in next chapters.